Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's great to be here. Making this video to share my experience while unboxing the new Jordan 1 Low SE Electric Green. I'm very excited. They look sick and the colorway is awesome. So let's see what's gonna happen. Have the box out of its shipping box and this is what I got. This is incredible. Look at that. This black box is crazy. I mean, I think they're taking this game to another level every time I order a pair of J's. So I took them out of the box and look at that. It's just amazing. I always love these special edition pairs and this one just another great example of that. Look at the colorway. Please note upper leather with two-tone color. Top color brushes off after wearing, which is normal for this leather application. Well, to be honest, I wasn't sure what color is going to be, but turns out it's going to be electric green. If you look at it closely, you can see the leather itself is green. So that's something to keep in mind when ordering these bad boys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like these new special editions of Jordan 1 Lows. Let me know what you think in the comment section and look out for another video.